Although again, बेसन का overload है, but I love it.
When you're in Surat, you can't escape besan. That's the base of it.
Yeah.
Actually, this is the weather for bhajia. एक गरम चाय होती तो क्या बात हो जाती. Because this is a very seasonal thing, this green tuar. But they're serving it in monsoons. So this is more like sev puri, but the puri is soft and white. And it doesn't have all those chaat wali chutney.
I don't like it.
What is this, Mohit? What is this behavior? जब से सूरत है, I don't like this, I don't like that. Cranky child. The diamond city of Surat is also known as the foodie city क्योंकि यहाँ के लोग they wake up to hot, fresh, unique kinds of breakfast items.
And we've done exactly that. We've gotten up in the morning in search of some amazing breakfast, which is beyond the locho and the khaman and everything else. तो थोड़ा ट्रेडिशनल होगा, थोड़ा न्यू होगा और होपफुली कुछ अच्छा, बहुत सारा अच्छा ट्राई करेंगे.
बहुत सारा for sure.
Cool. So as Harsh was saying, we have risen and we have shown. Now we are showing you lots of bhajia in front of us.
Yes, we are
Starting
breaking
our day with-
bread in Gujarat.
Breaking
In
bread
Surat.
with
Besan.
besan in Gujarat, in Surat. Acha, by the way, down the road is the beach, which I'm told is not very good looking. So we are not going there.
Don't bitch about beaches.
Beaches. Listen, you know what? ये है ना, इसका stuffing है
Tomato.
टमाटर. But इसको पहले dissect कर दे. इसको
Oh, there's your tomato, as they say it in Gujarati.
and there's
And?
ये साइड पे
Look at that.
चटनी भी है. टमाटर टेस्ट कैसे करेगा? Stuffed in the bhajia, but
Yeah, it's a tomato bhajia.
I don't
But
like it.
I'm yet to taste the chutney in it. What is this, Mohit? What is this behavior? जब से सूरत है, I don't like this, I don't like that. Cranky child.
Okay, let's give it a shot with the.
Now I got the chutney bite. And now it's making sense.
Not to me.
It would not have made sense without the chutney, only tomato.
टोमेटो की consistency एकदम.
But that is the thing with the tomato, no? When you grill a tomato or...
No, but either you have it raw or you have it as a ketchup. Not in the middle.
Oh,
Oh, this is a batata vada. Mini version of a batata vada.
don't eat it with the curry. Eat it ऐसे. It's a nice batata vada, tasty. And the curry is going to ruin it. Don't eat it
देख,
with it.
आलू और बेसन make sense.
Yeah. Tomato and besan may not make sense for people who are not from Surat. Hence the chutney.
अच्छा, by the way, ये version जो है ना आपको बॉम्बे में जवेरी बाजार के खाऊ गली में मिलेगा.
It's a nice batata vada, mini
very
batata
nice
vada. It's a
batata vada.
delicious one.
This is the aloo bhajia, also known as, actually known as aloo puri.
Because it is the
Surat.
size of a puri. Now this I can eat with the curry.
Again, this makes sense.
This makes sense. This makes more sense. Makes a little more sense. Because it is fairly bland.
हाँ, it is थोड़ा फीका टाइप है.
I like. I generally like batata bhajia. Back home, I'm used to eating it with the garlic chutney.
And much smaller. This is calamari. Squid.
So
No,
this
so
looks
this is
like
a-
onion rings. हम जब कांदा भजिया बोलते हैं, so there are those केकड़ा भजी. ये थोड़ा अलग shape and size
They
है.
don't necessarily look like a crab.
But one cannot usually go very
See
wrong
again?
in a kanda
This
bhaji.
makes sense. The much side tomato bhaji did not make sense. And it's
And now
raining.
it's raining.
What, who cares? We will eat.
Actually, this is the weather for bhajia. एक गरम चाय होती तो क्या बात हो जाती. Oh my my god.
This is the ratalu ka.
This is a yam bhajia. Ratalu. The color, beautiful on the inside.
How is the yam?
Yam.
Is it yummy?
It's yummy.
Again, I'm not very sure about this.
It is actually good because it's very close to the potato.
अरे वो तो बॉम्बे से बोल के आया था कि टमेटो भजी इज वेरी गुड.
No, but this is not bad because the yam is very fleshy, just like a potato.
Yeah.
Not very different. But the yam also needs some spice. So either the curry side or the mirchi.
It's okay. I like this the best.
Aloo. I like the batata vada the best. And everything else equally. And tomato bhajia last.
अच्छा अभी बारिश की वजह से मैच थोड़ी देर में रिज्यूम होगा. कम.
So we are here with a very different kind of breakfast. ऐसा breakfast मैंने
Yeah.
नहीं खाया है.
Different kind of aloo puri.
This is the aloo puri, which is a regular aloo puri. White puris with some filling, chutneys and sev. And this, of course, goes without saying, is the cheese.
Cheese.
version. The
But where's
cheesy
the aloo?
Ooh, it's a soft
Soft puri, yeah.
puri. So when I say regular, I meant regular aloo puri, which is the kadak puri, which chaat version that we eat.
No,
Back
but I
home.
thought वो पूरी और आलू की सब्जी होगी.
Or you thought, oh, he thought aloo puri is like aloo puri bhaji.
पूरी भाजी. Yeah.
So this is more like sev puri, but the puri is soft and white. And it doesn't have all those chaat wali chutneys.
It's got tikka chutney, it's got aloo and little meetha chutney.
With still meetha chutney. And it looks like there's some white batana, so a little bit of ragda.
रगड़ा. मुझे तो बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है ये. With the tikka chutney, it's got a थोड़ा कोकम चटनी भी है.
So it's a great balance. It's still on the spicier side.
I'm loving this.
Yep.
वो बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है.
And now the cheesy version.
It shouldn't यार वो चीज को ओवरपावर नहीं करना चाहिए इसके टेस्ट को क्योंकि इसका टेस्ट वैसे ही
Don't
बहुत अच्छा है.
preempt. पहले खा.
I was right about the tomato bhaji.
This is more breakfasty because of the cheese. And it's dousing the spicy chutney.
No, I like it, but I prefer it without the cheese.
I like it with the cheese.
तीखा थोड़ा चाहिए, अच्छा लग रहा है तीखा.
Yeah, this is a shareable dish for sure. You come with a bunch of friends and then सब एक एक पूरी उठाओ, plate खत्म, then you call for the next one. And
Also, it's a nice, refreshing take on the regular aloo puri or sev
sev
puri.
And normally, as a chaat lover from Mumbai, I would have missed the crunchy kadak puri.
No, but
I'm
I'm
not missing it here. It's
I'm
actually
not.
going really well. I mean, maybe because we're eating it at breakfast time, but it's nice.
Could be. No, but taste-wise, it's nice to keep the lingering spicy flavor. तो हम आ गए हैं जी दादा सूरती फरसान पे, which is popularly known as जी दादा फरसान, right? Okay.
So we have khandvi, patra, handvo, lauki muthia.
लौकी मुठिया.
And I feel like Kareena Kapoor from Three Idiots saying,
Why?
ये सारे गुजराती लोग इतने क्यूट होते हैं मगर इनका खाना इतना खतरनाक ही होता है. हांडू, 2 हांडुओं गिरा दिए पुतिन ने, एक्सेट्रा.
मैंने एक और खा लिया. I love this. Although again बेसन का ओवरलोड है, but I love it.
When you're in Surat, you can't escape besan. That's the base of it.
Yeah.
This is very popular all over Maharashtra and Gujarat.
And Gujarat. It should be popular in the world.
Colocasia leaves.
वापस बोल.
Colocasia leaves.
Little spicy, थोड़ा सा.
इसके अंदर soft है,
हाँ.
which is giving a different flavor.
But it's a little saltier than the other ones that I've had. But I still like it.
So do I. Lauki muthia. For people who do not like to eat lauki, this is a way of disguising and putting lauki in down your throat. It's actually quite nice. Almost all of these items are steamed first.
Yeah.
Handu I think is baked, but this is steamed, this is steamed, this is steamed.
Yeah.
Then stir fried.
Oh, I like this. I like this. इसको देख के लगता है कि थोड़े mild flavors होंगे, but it's nice and spicy. Yeah.
This is the kind of stuff a lot of Gujarati families carry on travels because ये बहुत दिन तक खराब नहीं होता.
और इसमें peanut भी है. Only because of the peanut I'm liking this. Otherwise,
Really?
it's a pass.
It has a nice khatta meetha flavor.
This was a pressure test in MasterChef Australia season 11, I think so. यहाँ पे तो मजाक में बना लेते लोग.
No, this is a work of art.
Yeah, it is.
To make this and to
For
get this
sure.
right and not get the roll sticky.
अभी ये नारियल और गार्लिक का पैटिस है.
गरम है. Oh, loaded with the filling and I already know I'm going to like it because I saw a kishmish inside. And the coating is potato.
एंड ग्रीन मसालास. इसको डिप करें पहले कि ऐसे ही खाएं? ऐसे ही खाते हैं. Oh, hot, but superb. Oh, love it.
Nariyal, hari mirch
Kishmish.
and potato and deep fried. Can you go wrong?
Now I will dip in the besan because we are just missing the besan now.
Now you're hooked to besan. You're getting withdrawal symptoms by not eating it for like a whole hour.
अभी और दो आइटम्स आ गए हैं टेबल पे. दिस इज तुअर दाल का घुघरा. यू वांट टू डाइसेक्ट?
Yes, because मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है ये दाल का नहीं है. ये फ्रेश तुअर
लीला.
पीस का घुघरा है.
लीला.
लीली तुअर.
Lily tuor. What will Lily have? Oh, very nice.
This one's hot and crunchy. So ये amazing चीज़ है at Ji Dada because this is a very seasonal thing, this green tuor. But they're serving it in monsoons. And
Is it
I've
amazing?
heard they also serve undio all throughout the year, which is also an entirely seasonal dish.
But is that amazing? Because it takes away from the novelty of the.
I guess, but suppose you're visiting Surat or India only in a certain season and you want to eat it.
Then visit in winters if you want to have undio. ये खाएं? बेदमी. Again, गुड़ and चना दाल. हाँ, अरे रुक जा, शेयर करते हैं एक.
क्या होगा कि खाना है
हाँ,
तुझे?
होगा. This is like a puran puri. Actually, it is a puran
It is
puri,
a
but
puran
it's
puri.
a
It's a
fatter,
chubby, fat,
plumpier
plump
version.
puran.
And I don't like it too much. I still don't like it.
Okay, I've never eaten puran puri with curry. And this is the dessert in the breakfast today, so I want to leave with this and
which
not.
is also the end of breakfast. So time for rating the breakfast dishes that we ate.
Massive pair of breakfast.
I want to rate the tomato bhaji and
Move on, get
Move
it out
on.
of the way.
tomato bhaji I will not rate. I did not like.
इतना भी बुरा
I
नहीं.
will only rate the chutney inside it. 3 marks. Chalo 4 marks.
Tomato bhajia was 6 on 10 because of the chutney. It's a one-time watch movie, one-time taste bhajia.
Then we have the onion bhajiyas. Onion bhajiyas were 8 on 10. जब तक वो हमने खाया तब तक ठंडा हो गया था तो I'm sure it's much better when it's hot and crispy. So 8 on 10 for that.
7 on 10.
Ratalu ka bhajiya, again I don't want to rate.
अरे
5.
Ratalu bhajia was 7.5 with the sprinkles on top of the ajwain and stuff.
The batata vada was very good, so 9 on 10.
9 on 10.
And
Aloo
the big
bhajia.
aloo bhajia, also 9 on 10. Then we go to the aloo puri. Aloo puri is 10 on 10, boss.
Yeah, aloo puri totally for the novelty and
And the flavor, just the flavor.
everything.
is
Yeah,
very
10
nice.
on 10. And the
Cheese.
cheese aloo puri also 10 on 10 for me.
Minus 1.
I know. I
9
knew
on
it.
10. क्योंकि उसमें वो मिर्ची का वो चला गया.
नहीं वो बाद में आता है. You have to wait for it.
I did. I'm still waiting for it.
जी ज़्यादा फरसान. ओके क्या क्या था बहुत कुछ था.
The khandvi is 10 on 10. for
खांडवी
sure.
6 on 10. हांडवो
6 on 10.
7 on 10.
Patra.
6.5 on 10.
Yeah, 6.5 on 10.
लौकी मुठिया.
Rocky Mutia was good. 9.
हाँ 8.5. Coconut garlic patties.
That is.
That was very good. I would say 9 on 10.
9 on 10 for me as well.
Lili tuar ghugra.
9 on 10.
9.5 on 10.
It was nice
Hot,
and
crispy,
fresh.
tasty. And इस season में मिला इसके लिए 0.5 extra. And the puran pori / bedmi. अरे
Again, 4, 5 maybe.
okay, it's not comparable to a Maharashtrian puran pori. बहुत ही अलग feel है. But by itself, it was 8.
तो ये था हमारा ब्रेकफास्ट का एपिसोड ऑन सूरत. इफ यू लाइक इट प्लीज राइट, कमेंट, शेयर, सब्सक्राइब और आते रहिए, खाते रहिए और पूछते रहिए कि खाने में
क्या है?
क्या है.
क्या है?
हाँ?
Okay.
बोलो बारिश की वजह से मैच रेजिंग होगा थोड़ी देर में फटाफट टाइम
बोलो.
क्या
बारिश की वजह से अब मैच रिज्यूम होगा in some time.
अच्छा बाय द वे ये वर्जन जो है ना आपको बॉम्बे में जवेरी बाजार में मिलेगा. द स्मॉल नो सीरियसली
Zaveri Bazaar के.
I was going to say end में but
Okay.
which end?